Hey everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. Today we're out in my shop and we are talking contour sanding. Klingspor's Woodworking Shop offers a lot of options in this area. Just like we're known for discs and belts, hopefully after today you're going to know us for all the things we have available for contour sanding. Many people cringe at the idea or just run from the thought of having to sand contours. Well, at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop we want to make that easy. That's why we have so many options available. So today's video is going to be part one of a multi-part series on the topic, and we're going to do a brief overview of some of the things we have available. Look for future videos covering the individual items later, and then that'll be more specific to certain applications. So let's dive right in, let's have some fun, and let's get to sanding. So as you can see, there's not a lack of options. Whether you need to make a custom setup using our slotted mandrels, or you still have to do a little hand sanding. Take advantage of our flexible roll material. We have this available in our shop roll and our gold roll. And if, well, you're not sure which roll is right for you, check out the sampler pack with a variety of grits in a 2x12 strip. We have our 1, 1.5, and 2-inch mini mop, as well as our eyelet stars for all the very small detailed application. Stepping up, we have our sanding star or our sanding mop. The sanding mops happen to be available independently with a variety of different components to make up the item you need, or you buy a starter kit right out of the gate. Just pick your grit and go, and it gives you everything you need to get started. We also have a 1 and a 2-inch spindle mounted Mac mop for a little heavier applications or wider contour sanding. And then we have a variety of mandrel options to get you started depending on how you need to fit it to your system. So as you can see at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, when it comes to contour sanding, we've got you covered. To learn more, visit us at woodworkingshop.com or any of your favorite social media sites. You can also contact us at 800-228-0000 and someone will be happy to help. Well, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos as we release them. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.